I have some atis here, guys, or it's called the custard apple. But it's so sad that those aphids and ants are damaging the fruit. It's the small one. It's so cute. This tree is not so tall, so it's just okay, guys. I'm with our Princess Arlette, and I'm let her gonna try this fruit. Lang natin. Kids don't like it. Why the princess don't like this? It's yummy.
You don't like, baby? What do you want?
You just want taho.